You search how to buy shares of Centessa Pharmaceuticals plc, a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company. Centessa trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CNTA. This is an educational demonstration, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker CNTA to find the listing. Make sure you select the Centessa Pharmaceuticals plc share among the search results. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for CNTA. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure it is the correct stock. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute at the next session. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add them before confirming. Once executed, the CNTA position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same steps.